Will Smith is a popular actor, rapper, and producer known for his roles in films such as The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Men in Black, and Bad Boys. Here are 20 unknown or lesser-known facts about Will Smith. 1. Will Smith's full name is Willard Carroll Smith Jr. 2. He was born on September 25, 1968, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. 3. Smith started his career as a rapper under the name The Fresh Prince, and he rose to fame with the release of his first album Rock the House in 1987. 4. He has won 4 Grammy Awards for his music. 5. Smith's acting career took off in the 1990s with his role as the lead character in the TV show The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. 6. He has been nominated for numerous awards for his acting, including 2 Academy Awards, 4 Golden Globe Awards, and 3 NAACP Image Awards. 7. Smith is the only actor to have 8 consecutive films gross over $100 million in the domestic box office. 8. He wrote the theme song for The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air with Quincy Jones. 9. Smith has a black belt in Shotokan Karate. 10. He has been married twice, first to Sherry Zampino and then to Jada Pinkett Smith. 11. Smith has 3 children, Trey, Jaden, and Willow. 12. He has a younger brother, Harry, who is also an actor. 13. Smith is a member of the Church of Scientology. 14. He is known for his philanthropic work, including founding the Will and Jada Smith Family Foundation in honor of his parents. 15. Smith has a fear of heights and does not like to fly. 16. He is a fan of the Philadelphia Eagles and has been seen at their games. 17. Smith has a production company called Overbrook Entertainment, which has produced films such as The Karate Kid and Annie. 18. In his school days he was nicknamed the Prince for his brilliant ability to get out of the water and successfully get out of a variety of situations. 19. He has a net worth of over $350 million. 20. He has a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame. 20. He has a